now I'm here at Molly Malloy's with head chef Bobby Fisher. What's up, Bob? We have our lamb, we have our vegetables, and now I'm here with an expert that's going to tell us how to transform those ingredients into something delicious. So Bob, what are we going to do next?
We're going to start with getting our parsnip and apple puree together. We have our 1 Granny Smith apple, half a Spanish onion, and 2 pounds of parsnip peeled. We're going to boil all them together. That's the way to start. It takes the longest. Next, we go into our meat. Here's our lamb loins. I already seasoned it with some kosher salt and some rosemary. We're going to add a little bit of chopped garlic to it and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Just really rub that into the meat so it's nice and flavorful. We're going to let that hang out for a couple minutes. And next we're going to go into our balsamic reduction. Next we're going to get into making our balsamic and fig reduction. Here we have some aged balsamic vinegar, some dried black mission figs, and a couple of garlic. And then finally, we're going to season our asparagus. So we cut the asparagus on a bias. You can see that just for a fancier plate presentation. It's not that difficult. You turn your knife to the side as opposed to just cutting straight across. And then we're going to add a little bit of garlic, some extra virgin olive oil, and some kosher salt and black pepper.
So we have our lamb, it's been prepared in the oven, and Bob, how long did it take?
About 6 minutes in a 425-degree oven. Parsnip puree takes roughly 15 minutes to make, and the asparagus are quick in and out, on and off the grill, just a quick char.
Fantastic, and absolutely you can stop by www.iovine.com for the full recipe, ingredients, how to prepare from beginning to end. But make sure you stop by Molly Malloy's in the historic Reading Terminal Markets. They have seasonal food that is unbelievable, and you really should treat yourself. So see you soon. Thanks, Bob.
Thanks.